We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. You can see right here, model number, serial number. If you go to bradfordwhite.com and hit register for a warranty, you're going to give them your all your contact information, your serial number. Look at your warranty going on that. It's a 6-year parts, 1-year labor. They will reach out to you once you register it and ask you if you want to increase it to a 10-year parts and 1-year labor. That's entirely up to you. We don't make any money off that. That's just between you and Bradford White. Up at the top, we did go ahead and give you a new shutoff valve. That's ours. You had one sitting on the stand, which is right there. It was a streamline. I'm not sure where you got it. It looks like a nice valve, but we can't warrant it if we install it. So this is ours. It's a Watts 3/4 inch full port quarter turn ball valve. You've got brass stubbed out of the wall, which is great. Brass valve, brass nipple in between, and a Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. We use those because the mating surface is a little thicker than what's on the tank. And then up there, on the hot side, valve is not required, but it is a 3/4 brass nipple stubbed out as well. And then a Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. I'll tie it in. On your vent, we left the dual wall B vent, which is stubbed through that rain collar down into there. So that's a it's got 2 walls, inside and outside. That goes all the way through the roof. So like we explained to you, we don't touch that. But brand new single wall down to the draft diverter came with the unit. All the screws all around perimeter, 3-inch, 3 screws around the perimeter. Relief valve comes with it. Then we reused some of your piping right here to come over because it has a union in there. It's required to be able to take apart. So we just reuse this piece of copper. When we get to here, this is our piping and our connectors. So I got a coupling, a 90, and a 90, all tied back into your relief line, which is in the wall, and it drains out the side of the building right outside of this door. Upper third adjustable straps by code, lower third adjustable straps by code. You already had the drip leg or dirty leg installed, so we just left that alone. Brand new gas shutoff valve, brand new gas connector over to the controller. Right now we have it set at 120 degrees. That's hot 120. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. At B140, 3rd-degree burns 3 seconds. So we leave it here and document it just so you know where you're at. 120 is recommended by the EPA. So the Environmental Protection Agency, and that's for anybody that has thin skin, elderly, people that have like dementia, Alzheimer's, where they forget that you can't put your hand in hot water and leave it there too long. They get scalded. Infants, because their skin is real thin. So right there at 120. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.